Every good idea happens because there's a melding of minds. And I think this project symbolizes that melding of minds. The support for doing public art on campus, for the growing Latino population on campus, and for doing it using an artistic lens. The project was inspired from my wanting to promote the Latin American Studies and Latino Studies program. And lo and behold, there was support for the idea of a public art project that would not only symbolize the program, but also bring in students and faculty into the project.
This class is a mural workshop. It is connected to a public project that is amplifying the voices of Latino, Latinx faculty and students here on campus. Each student submitted an individual design, but the group has been so collaborative, it became clear at a certain point that some of the designs could be stronger if different artists collaborated and combined their designs. And in the end, we had 4 amazing artists contribute to the final design that you'll see on the outside of the Squirrel Library.
It was really helpful talking to all of the people from the Latin Studies Department and the people in the Latin Student Association. That was really instrumental in getting their thoughts and their opinions and things that they wanted included in the mural. I loved listening to them and just really getting the chance to talk to them. And then we took notes and talked as a class about what things should be included.
One of the things that I imparted on students was the importance of the sun in Latin America. And as you can see there, the students were really inspired by that idea, right? The sun is symbolic of life-giving.
I designed the middle portion of it with the sun rays, and I helped with the figures, everything kind of regarding that center of the mural.
A lot of my work focuses on family and a lot of indigenous and Afro-Latin spiritual themes as well. As a collaborator with 3 other students, I focused on the parents and the student in the center that sort of talk about the strong bonds in Latin culture between family members. There's not one singular look to what a Latin family looks like, and I know that from experience, so I wanted to make sure that with any Latin family or student that comes and looks at that family, they can see themselves in some sort of way.
One of the faculty members had requested that I work on some of the figures for the mural, having a joyous expression. That was one of the main focusing points that we tried to achieve. This was one of the best experiences I have had in terms of collaboration. It was everyone was doing their part and there was clear communication happening throughout. So it wasn't like there was anything getting left out or people being lost or getting behind on things, and we made sure to keep on a schedule so we didn't lose focus of what we were trying to do.
I spoke to a wide range of different professors. They were all interested in this mural, and so I invited them and they stopped by to participate and paint and also just hear about what message we have to tell Adelphi.
I took a direction of designing tiles because I thought that this was one way to incorporate all the elements that were being asked of us. The tiles with La Luna and El Pájaro, those are based off the Loteria cards, which is a Mexican board game, kind of similar to bingo.
The 8 students that we had working on this project, in particular the 4 designers, were so incredible to work with. Not only their collaborative nature, but their professionalism, their creative problem-solving ability, and the heart that they brought to the project was phenomenal. The process was very collaborative. It involved facilities, the Women's Giving Circle, the LSA, the LAS, the art department.
The library, the Hispanic Serving Institution Task Force, the Provost's office, and of course the Division of Student Affairs. Without all of these important actors on campus, I don't think this would be possible.
As a Haitian person, I'm Afro-Latin, so I got inspired by the mural myself to reach for bigger educational opportunities, as well as just to be more confident in the world, especially right now.
Well, I hope that what the mural does for all students is to symbolize to them what they're working towards, to toss their hats up in the air and celebrate with their families on graduation day.